How to make a banana bread. Welcome to your guide on baking the ultimate comfort food, moist, delicious banana bread. This versatile treat is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert, and we're going to show you how to make it step by step. Banana bread, contrary to what some might think, is an incredibly forgiving recipe. You don't need to be a master baker to nail this one. But you do need very ripe bananas, the blacker, the better. This ensures a rich, sweet banana flavor. First off, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a crucial first step, as preheating allows your bread to rise properly. Don't forget to grease your loaf pan with butter or cooking spray to prevent your bread from sticking. Now let's prepare our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 8 tablespoons, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and 3 ripe bananas. Also, gather 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a large bowl, cream together the sugar and softened butter. You can use a hand or stand mixer for this. You're looking for a light, fluffy consistency. Once this is achieved, beat in the eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Next, in a separate bowl, mash the bananas with a fork until smooth. Stir in the milk and cinnamon. In another bowl, mix together the flour and baking powder. Now, you're ready to combine your mixtures. Add the banana mixture to the butter mixture and stir until combined. Then, slowly mix in the dry ingredients, stirring just until the flour is fully incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your bread tough. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan. Smooth the top with a spatula to ensure even baking. Pop it into the preheated oven and bake for 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes, or until a tester inserted into the center comes out clean. Patience is a virtue at this stage. Allow your banana bread to cool in the pan for a few minutes, then remove it from the pan and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This helps the bread retain its shape and makes it easier to slice. And there you have it. A beautifully baked, moist, and flavorful banana bread. Serve it warm, slathered with butter, or enjoy it just as it is. Remember, the best part of making banana bread is the heavenly aroma that fills your kitchen. In the end, making banana bread is all about transforming humble ingredients into something truly scrumptious. The process is simple, the result is delicious, and the satisfaction of creating something from scratch is priceless. Happy baking! Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.